Hello, welcome to my 6th C# beginners gaming tutorial. I think 6th. So, while between the last two tutorials, I have modified the images slightly. I've changed them to be more colourful and, well, not so 80s looking. So anyway, I've done that. I also sped up the speed of the paddle 2 movement to 5 rather than 3 because the ball was speeded up and it was beginning to get very easy to win. So while you're away as well, I made two images. I made three images. Made a player 1 wins image. Okay. Oops, I've cut off the Y, but player 1 wins. Oh well, you get the drift. And player 2 wins. I've also created a background image called BG, so I'm going to show you how to do that first. So first of all, you need to drag all these in to here, and you need to set them the copy to output to copy always. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load the background image. So instead of, you don't use a sprite, okay, because, well, you could use a sprite, but I've created a method for you to set a background image. So set background image, and then you just write bg.bmp. Okay, there you go, simple as that. And we run it now. Okay, we've got our background image. Now first of all, what you will notice is a big black square around the ball. Okay, remember the way I said that whenever you were making your ball image, put a black background? Now actually, I'm going to pause this for 2 seconds. Sorry, I just noticed that there was a slight, you probably won't be able to see it, but there was a slightly orange outline around this here, and it wouldn't have worked too well whenever we were doing this in here. So anyway, what you're going to do to get rid of that black border is there is a command or method called set image color key. Now the color key is the color you're going to remove. So in this case our color is black because we put I told you to put a black background in it. So the sprite number is 1 because it's the ball image, and our color is, we use a color class, and the color is black. Okay, simple as that. Now let's run this, and you should notice that the ball does not have a black border anymore. Now there's a few pixels, maybe they're still stayed there because they're not entirely black, but all in all that's satisfactory for the time being. Okay, now we've done that there. Now we need to detect whenever player has lost or won. So what we need to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to player win/lose. Oh, okay, so if sprite x, and I know it should be a lowercase there, sprite x 1 is less than 1, then that means player 2 has lost. Or sorry, player 2 has won. Player 1 is lost. Okay, so we want to load sprite. Now I know I said you load sprite up earlier. You can do it earlier, but I'm just going to do it down here. P1 wins dot bmp, and we're going to give it a sprite number of 4. Okay, and for the x position we'll put saying say about 280, and say 220. Let's try that. Anyway, what we need to do is set image color key to white, color dot white, because the background was white and the text was black. So let's just try this. Hopefully this works. There you go. Okay, now it's not centered, and player 1 wins. Yeah, well, you can fix that in yours. Obviously that's not actually centered, so let's try that, see if that's any better. And you will notice there's a white outline. It's because it's not exactly white around there, it's maybe grey or whatever, but you can fix that yourself. And I need to 210. Sorry, that'll do. Oh, I'll add a few more on, actually 230 say. So anyway, that is for if the player 1 wins, or player 2 wins, that should be, sorry, sprite then is greater than 640, then player 1 wins. Now, here's an interesting thing. I told you before that each sprite number should be unique. Now, because this is loading conditionally, in other words, it can only either be this or this, it will never be both at the same time. You can use the same sprite number because they're never going to be loaded at the same time. Okay, that's why you can do that, and it will still work. So you'll see here, if I win, now this could be hard for me to beat this guy. Now here he's quite good. So anyway, yeah, sprite, player 2 will win. We'll tell you what, I'll just lose if he wins. Okay, so there we go. Player 2 wins. He beat me, and I would let you try and beat player 2 to see if you can beat him, and to make sure it works. It should work. I don't see any reason why it won't. But anyway, that is how to finish the game and set backgrounds. I'm gonna have one more tutorial using this Pong example, and that's gonna be on using sound effects. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, check out my next tutorial, and also if you want to register on my forums on tutorilla.com. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.